Man, you make the water boil out.
Man, I run to lock it.
Chop too much, that's all video.
As me already vindicate this already.
What do you mean?
The word is vindicate.
Your vocabulary is small.
But breast.
Teach
Teach you about breast for fall with nipple.
You say them
You
not
ever
care
see
breast.
fall with breast with nipple? So me don't know where you come from and that little food thing, you know. And the smell is just like the food they eat. The whole year go like you don't get no taste.
Yeah, man, I eat that Rasta. Nobody contemplate if you throw no more.
You are liquor?
No.
Where you are?
Very good.
You good?
Rasta, cook. I go cook, yeah.
Me watch you, me I could be cut up my weight. So, oh, you feel smoke? I mean,
Me not smoke. A
Where
video,
you
me a video.
Video?
Yeah.
But you love chat though when you have video. And watch me.
Oh, you want me a bit dumb?
No. Don't me don't see me. Me have to cut up my script for have my script for go and meditate.
Season your brain before you season your food.
No, sir, I have no brain for season. Me never have bun meat, so my brain can't season. You think I meat this? You think I goat me a season up? Chicken you go season up today and some ackee. Yo, how see everything here? Make sure clean up the ackee already. Put in our bag. See there? Clean up. Rice and chicken
Rasta.
and butter.
Rasta. All this are big deal out here. You feel me on this?
If you don't want none for yourself, you like climb tree like how me climb it.
Are you
climbing?
I will climb it.
I am climbing tree.
Yeah. You know see?
Me not remember that. Me never see
You
it.
don't remember Rans, man.
Rasta.
Remember me tell you that. When we say, Martin, we have Africa here on the channel.
Africa and Jamaica.
Yeah, Africa and Jamaica mix one together in the
Oh,
channel.
how is we live? Fear of Africa for you?
In Africa we live. Over there is Africa. One Martel channel is Africa over there. And here. And Big Mike is here. Always here. Always Big Mike. See there? One pop the fire pop, you know, say a fire it fire shot. Up and running.
So Rasta,
One
you know
Martel
if you deal
TV.
with- you know if
Quick
you deal with
fry.
Ackee and thing?
No, me don't know if you did it.
Well, so you hear me say Rasta?
Yeah.
When you little, you know, I go back to that time. You know.
No, but I bring back the flag again. No.
No, listen,
The little business I come back
Yeah,
to
when
this,
it's
you know.
small.
Hey, where you want for
And
small?
then Ackee, you see Ackee and pork skin?
Don't want to bring back that flag.
No, yes,
Me
I
don't
know.
tell you, say, when we are youth, everything
No,
is
but
nice.
the Ackee and pork skin then time there.
Me say everything is nice, not
No,
then time
no,
then.
if it's nice,
Big
man,
Mike,
eat it.
don't I speak to them properly yesterday and tell them what was going on in
But
in
we
the
never ask
days.
about Ackee and pork skin.
So then I see him pork.
But they eat
You say we already come to the conclusion
We
there.
come to that
Ackee and pork skin there. Nice.
I cut because of two no come from this man.
Rasta.
When my mother Icy was cooking ackee and pork.
Alright, pause, Rasta. Them
Pause.
time now, the Ackee, them time there. Where you rather eat with? The pork skin or saltfish?
Anything my mother cook it up, we
That
have
you
to
know.
work
That we eat.
with. Anything she cook it up, we eat.
Okay. No,
If
no
it's
fighting.
saltfish, we have to work with it. If it's pork,
Yeah.
we have to work with it. If it's tripe,
Tripe, you eat it with
Tripe.
the tripe it will like grain.
What year
Ah,
That
well,
them that is nice.
me.
Not in time.
But that
no,
with red in.
but fire.
And this bad with red herring.
But what
Right
you know,
now. Yeah.
but no fire.
Mhm.
You wouldn't go back there.
No, because it mashed me up from me a 19-year-old.
Okay.
Turn against me, so I'm not touch you again.
Okay, no problem.
So, me not against a man for you, you know, but me not deal with no pork around here.
Alright, what you know on the fire?
Yeah.
Alright. We there now.
Selfish.
I run the
We there now, right?
Yeah.
Fire, if I ask you,
Mm-hmm.
like big man thing for cookies for me, you wouldn't do it?
No?
I'm selfish, man. I'm selfish.
Tell her that yesterday. No pork cooking on the Martel channel by Rasta Dodo. No pork cooking on Martel channel by Rasta Dodo.
What if Shamar decided to do the
You
pork
want to
chops
cook
on
it?
idea?
You want to
And
cook
give her one little piece there.
Besides, sometimes me have to want that some down not take crack, you know. Earlier, me don't know enough. Early crack on our bun. Me no,
Rasta, when I catch a fire for you. What do we have this? Me catch a fire.
you know what I pop up about it something more time.
Two pop out, that's never in it. It's split out your mouth.
Yo, yes, Alio. Go if I run the channel. I was see.
You know,
You can't
say,
come back,
something wrong with Rasta.
Something wrong with you today. Because you don't know so much to have you down my mind.
People now hear you clearly when you have a
But you
split
lie,
in
you
your
are
mouth.
telling them hear me clear, they don't want to see me. You don't want to hear me. You know?
That's what I say.
That's why I see me. So I know say I see when me do active round the table. Clean and nice and pretty. One Martel TV, up and running.
Them are bunny out,
You
man.
can't burn me.
No, how about him out? I
But,
deserve that
but
out.
believe you with them still.
Yeah.
If they accept you, they accept you. If they bunny you,
Them how about him?
Them bunny out.
Still bad. Stubborn like a mule.
You know say more.
You know a mule?
You are a mule.
I saw you stubborn like mule, man. You.
So one day. So there's nothing when you give me for do. You don't stubborn do it. We just do it for now and it done.
So we can leave his spliff off.
Leave his spliff. Me can't tell yourself to leave your chicken or your fish.
So we tell you leave a pork and leave it.
Me?
You say
You
leave it.
can't tell me that. Because I mean, you never grow, you never born when we are grow. Put the fire, man, and I'm trying to keep us smoking high place. And let me puff my spliff and right, drive me about something else for a drink. Like, give thanks and praise to get a drink and now. Wow, it's nice and I'm on in this. I like that my spliff and showing the people. And the one channel Martin TV.
Take the spliff out your mouth and hear
Yo.
what I say.
Don't tell me what to take.
Why? Why? Take anything you want to take, man. Oh, that's so much fiddly.
That's not easy. When is that all I
He
go?
said, we don't fit take. You go and take what you take, you know?
You know why weed me a take, man? Weed me a bun.
Rasta?
So what you take, Rasta?
Weed. Nothing more. Just the weed, brother. Weed.
But Rasta, if you'd have teeth still a chicken back with around the Ackee, you know, then traditional style, you know, no teeth. But see,
We don't have
batty,
teeth.
you can eat a batty there.
Yo.
He's a batty because so you talk enough like they eat batty, you know. Why you laughing?
You want to say all I can for you today?
Oh, you can I can the batty.
Yeah. And I'm back to that.
The aisle gland, you say?
The oil can at that kind of.
Which can?
You
Four
know-
can?
You know that he carry? Oil can, then call it. Sit there again. If you see how if oil is suck up in there yesterday.
Your favorite part?
No, sir. There's everything cut out.
See if I go to a restaurant and get a piece of pan it
No
on
problem
the
about
pizza
that.
tie there.
You know, see for you when you get it up.
Pan way.
When you don't buy a restaurant.
No, a proper restaurant we buy from a
A
restaurant.
beer breast me go harder.
Breast?
Yeah, me
You
never.
didn't say fold no care breast,
you can't-
Rasta.
you can't
You
take
ask if you ever see a nipple pan a fold breast.
You can't nip it, you can't hit it then.
You don't know how it carry, it's
Chest.
a chest.
Chest?
Mm.
Chest dead.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
You don't carry breast. But by right, see Rasta, if you carry breast, there's a nipple pan it, you know. You know? And milk will come out of it.
If you want to know if milk come out of it, you have to look. That's a more milk.
If you carry breast,
You
for
know
real,
far
man,
you reach.
you have nipple and milk will come
You
out
know
of
far
it.
you reach the subject.
Rasta? You might check you all I had in my limb.
You're far into the subject.
Who's the subject?
You want to reach to the breast, the milk come out there. Yesterday, he said a roach. Yeah? Oh, you know, I say my cock. Oh, you know him as a cock.
Rasta.
Oh, today, my about breast nipple.
Breast nipple pa fall.
But Rasta,
Yeah.
so when you do your maths now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Breast no care nipple and anything there.
We don't talk about that a woman breast. This
You
is
say, sorry,
full
man.
chest.
Yeah, you're right. Chest, they don't care breast.
Then you talk about breast
I tell you, say, me tell you, so I know no breast don't care.
You know busy what you want to talk about. You just come with
Breast
it.
care nipple.
You just come with it.
Nah, no nipple pan it.
You know where you come with today?
Yeah.
Bag of foolishness. Okay, Rasta. But breast.
I teach, man, try to
Teach
teach
you,
you. logic,
I
right?
teach you about breast pan fall with nipple. And
You say them
you
not
ever
care
see
breast.
fall with breast with nipple?
Me say for
Are you want to tell me about that?
Rasta. Rasta. I might teach you
Yeah,
them
you
about
might
cow, jump over moon to.
Move down and sit there.
So Rasta,
Yeah.
for no care breast, and that me I try to show
But
you.
me I tell you say that nah none.
No,
Are you
you did that say breast, you
Me
buy.
not busy
You
what?
say-
Me buy breast.
You say buy breast,
Breast me
on the
buy when me got
restaurant.
breast.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, say for no care breast.
So when they look at me I say,
So Rasta,
well I know when I'm going to the restaurant I say breast me want. So they look at me and say, if I don't have breast you give me just give me your one then.
so you
And
don't
I'm
need it,
here.
you don't need it.
That's okay, try it. After the one, they don't good breast at me again. I want to see you.
British. Fall care breast?
Paul?
Yeah, chicken.
I don't know that.
Cause every breast have a nipple though. Yeah?
Yeah.
So where fall care?
Chest.
Huh?
Chest.
Chest?
Yeah.
So then I try.
What? Him say they can't nipple.
Me tell you that.
Yo.
Me tell you say every breast carry a nipple. Cause you say when you go to a restaurant, a chicken breast is harder.
Yeah.
And me tell you say a chicken no carry breast. A breast have nipple on
So
it.
Max,
No.
Yeah, you're right, Chip. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So what you would say all of us?
Breast.
You deaf?
You Yeah, that breast.
Nah, here.
Because you had that here in Big Mike. We don't want another here.
Man don't name Big Mike.
You
Yeah,
can't
the
tell
man
me
said we
do.
stop calling
The
that.
man named Big Mike.
Tell him say you don't like that, no?
You can't make him know say Big Mike in here. Me get that name then. Big Mike. No one else can tell us any name Big Mike more than Rasta.
So why? Why are you alone can tell him that?
After the first day when we see him out this
So, oh,
afternoon.
you know I work at Benton.
Oh, me a Benton?
Yeah, Benton a name from now, man.
Benton?
Yeah,
Look at Benton today.
So
Every
what you
vlog
know,
when you
man?
want,
Alright,
you
so what
want
do you
10.
Benton and can put it all on him? I would
Benton
take
in here.
anything like it.
Benton and Big Mike.
Benton and Big Mike, put it here. One inside, you know, hear it. Listen.
Let me see it.
Listen. Come and start listen. Listening. You hear it?
The whistle.
Let the people hear now. What a steam.
See there? Alright, one inside and picture it soon to bubble. So some people Ackee in a cold water. You know right. Because when it has a hardy.
Tough and soft.
You tough and soft. Strictly boiling water. The water start boil up, you put the Ackee in there. And I would that. And the king go and boil for him couple minutes, you take him up, there you that. You put it
the boil it till it's saggy.
no man. They put it in a cold water and in a cold water they
Sleep up.
Sleep up, the partner start boiling. Just like rice.
You put white rice in a cold water still
You
in
know
the
right
rest.
idea there.
So why you never do it?
You never try
So
that?
cold water, I cook rice in a right through.
White rice, no?
Me no man that, because guess what, no, me say to absorb soaking too much of the water that way there. So when you go,
Yeah, make it pala when you're done.
Since recently still though, when I go cook though, I use warm water like
Yes,
I put a, no, not me know that long time. We never have use the kettle. Kettle the mash up. We get back a kettle now. Hot water when we know so I go
White
cook.
rice, it,
Anyone I rice it.
Rasta,
But me cook in a cold water.
Ackee there for me one.
Any one of them.
me no cook no seed.
Ah,
Ackee me a cook. See them that throw away.
the seed in throw away.
Yeah, see them when come in the night throw away.
Ackee see the one for eat Rasta.
Ackee see the one fix if you want to you can get.
I'm fool, listen up.
No fool what? What on it? Where is it? Fiddly.
Listen, if you want
The
to
seed.
there.
Well, you see the seed in that pot?
Yeah, for that. I
You
feel
just
me.
talk to me say Ackee now.
So I feel the clock that my one.
No man. That's share for the whole channel. Who they on it?
You can get high and fiddly get the high and give me
Yeah, last I talk about the island now, you gotta get high. You mentioned
Speaking of the aisle, come for and look at 3x7 back there for me.
You mentioned
No, you might need this today.
That?
I'm have to go fry the chicken dry. You can't pressure him today.
Oh.
pressure.
Get it
You
today.
know the pressure cook out here. That's cheap. You never see that pressure, nothing I use it. Everything cooks straight natural pan the fire. If I know the wood fire or the coal.
Stick fire.
Yo, you know you wouldn't. No, we not touch you with anything because we never no stick with that. A bare wood we use when they have
me get
bonfire.
the 4 today for this.
Yeah, you been what easy all you?
Yes, my score in account.
I just eat you eat and talk.
You
Beer eat and talk. Low score. And when done the dinner, and the taste and the sweet dinner. What? Now say not till the final. Now say not till the final. Now say not till the final. Post like a taste there now.
Sweet him.
Gone with
Yeah, you
him.
know, for the curry chicken fiddly. When I sample it yesterday, I should make it wait fresh. I should wait till share it with everybody.
Yeah, joke, I know in my thing fresh.
Boy,
Yo,
Yeah.
fresh.
fresh. Curry can't fresh, because curry run your belly for fresh. Number one with that. Up and running. Fire look good, Martin. See? Fire look pretty today.
Yeah.
Yeah, steaming.
Yeah, everything is alright to the Rasta.
I can see now it in tight bubble. See it there? You see it? Everybody color change. Now, I say if you did not cold water, you know see some dip, the color they look different.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Never know.
Yeah man, and if you good, so you color all of them have the one color and you put like cold water, so now you see some yellow on it, and you see switch for the hot water start, just like change the color. And I search a boil and look. Yeah.
Never know.
Yeah. I put na cold, I can't put na cold water. No time at all.
Yeah.
The biggest score we ever give me is 12.
Yeah.
Funny challenge.
So you never appreciate the 12?
You should have given me for a long time.
No, but if your food was up to par, I'm not going to get the 12.
So hold on then. So all I food that we cook enough to stand on.
Alright, let's see the food when you cook.
So when they have him a bell charge 7 and 10 times so.
Yeah, and tell me so when you go down side what I back to me can't bell so. Yo, can't bell so. Natural and toilet, cardboard style, you know?
Yeah.
Natural thing.
I'm about to drop this today, you know.
Man, drop it on your foot.
I say. That's a wicked boy.
Ready and not seek no trouble.
Mm.
Wow. Yeah, Ackee ready, man.
The Rasta about
I mean, I see now Ackee a joke up on the fork. Like them, they tough, man.
you look tough, yes, man. How foot?
Yeah,
I for bring down the pressure cooker.
You cook how foot?
This year.
Yo.
A cheese him a cut open.
No, too fast.
It's a cheese tin.
No, too fast down in there, so you can't.
Oh.
Yeah, Rasta.
Yeah,
Smells good.
jeez, this is the seasoning, boy.
Garlic.
My season.
The season.
That is my favorite ingredient.
Garlic.
Yeah, my favorite ingredient.
Now, man, a butter your favorite
You can't
ingredient.
know, you chat too much that you can't know.
Apparent.
Butter your favorite
You
ingredient.
can't know what.
Yeah.
Butter,
All
man.
my eat, I wonder why.
All I know is put it in there. You can't know.
Come like the kernel.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Nothing. You can't know. When we put it in there, never see when we put it in there.
Yeah.
Ben 10, a.k.a. the butter man.
And it is right here.
You didn't tell?
Yeah, it is right here, Benton. I always have it here and you never saw
I
it.
never see it.
Never
Ah,
saw
never
it.
consume it.
Ah,
You
never-
know? Oh, make it nicer. Nah, tell him how.
Yeah, and he just always have taste it and say, why Rasta, me not tell like you go on good today.
You say, I yesterday Rasta. As in taste the food, you must Rasta and tell this, you know.
Quick and fast.
I just me alone honest and say, boy, Rasta this already, you know. All of them I say 10 on this.
Can't get what.
Me alone I say, boy, this not reach on 10 yet in the Rasta.
So we make you say so.
Yeah, based on the taste.
So hold on. Before it's done, you need to smell the taste.
Yeah, before it done, me I say this probably I want 10, but when me I taste it, me I
Man say I want 3 you get
I want
yesterday.
3 this year.
Let me sure say you're biased.
Why?
You don't have to bias for the channel. It just comes straight.
So I don't straight.
No, man, you don't come straight. They say you're biased because you know so funny. You smell it.
Me I
Right, hold on. Listen to me now. You ask me a question now. See? You say you smell it.
Yeah.
And it tastes. You know, it tastes it. And then you're licking in your hand.
I remember me I
Listen, you know.
I
You're
remember me I
licking.
say you want salt.
You know, no, before that.
So now then,
You're
let me
licking
tell
in
you.
your hand. And you test it so. Where you ball out?
Say you want salt tonight.
No, that's the end of me attack.
Alright.
Yeah. Wow!
That's how when.
I mean, I say,
You
yeah.
don't say no way you see
Kick
them,
in your
man. No,
head.
never.
You kick your head like a mule.
That's why I just give one.
When you say, wow, Rasta.
Wow!
And then he might give you 3.
And then I give me 3.
Bias.
Bias!
Don't know.
And I can't train off the water. See me? No.
Rasta, you know, come down put the chicken in there.
No, man. I brown it. One.
Little.
Don't take it. That's why I don't take it.
Rasta, if you teach you a thing of maths,
You don't them put in everything.
and turn it in a brown stone.
Fuck up the water.
Yo!
I can't tell you put the whole chicken one time there, but on a Ackee and thing like if chicken have you have brown in Spanish.
What am I talking about?
Brown stew in one. Me know I cook my brown stew today.
So if I eat the chicken, they are kissing it in a brown soup.
Yeah, it can work.
But
That
you
way,
know,
but not like what you want it today.
not today.
Not today. Because you have color.
What do you mean, no color?
You so know. You know what you so know to have a white.
That's how you share chicken this way, that's sure.
I take it over and take it over my share.
Me? I share not my share. Oh, look, mats.
Like, I want this. Not nice food.
Hey, Whitey.
Yes. Rasta.
Yeah?
You want to say chicken white, right?
No
On the
whitey.
style.
No white.
Oh, hey, whitey.
You say no white, you just
I
say
never say so. He must say so.
you say
Remember, never had the same food as the Rasta. He never had the same food, you know.
this is a madman at all. Boy, you white, I know
Oh,
some
yeah,
white.
white.
I know some white here, so.
Yes, I feel the English food. You feel it?
Salt and pepper.
Feel it? English food.
Eh, why? I don't have English, Spanish, French, or what, but
I'm a Jamaican.
there's no say one color this have.
Ah, wait. What color?
Whitey.
IT. Just rest of before man turn on the camera, man I tell you say, oh the chicken them perfect and here now.
Him? Yeah. You don't say bias when I come in. Bias, man. So I'm saying right.
Yeah, no, the camera come over and say, hey, Whitey.
Right, we have to do for the Ackee.
And I boom off all your fist. And then you might say, hey, Whitey.
Hey, Whitey, and you see the Whitey have passed around us. A three black man around here.
I have a Whitey.
And my boy Whitey. You see the Whitey around here?
So you know all of this
You
then?
can't get none of this. Because you have to go down on the grill and watch it with Whitey them there. And then you go down there, you say, hey, Whitey. Hey, Whitey.
Say it again.
Hey, Whitey.
So I put piece of the ginger in there.
No. No ginger today. You get ginger yesterday, you want ginger today?
No ginger.
No, today. This is not a ginger day.
So yeah, do with them ginger there.
Yes, we are not ginger yesterday.
I like a chicken in my deal with this
No,
Rasta.
sir.
Nah, man.
Oh.
See ginger there, man.
Where may I cut up?
Oh, your finger the right. Rasta, your finger, man, deal with more ginger, yeah?
No, you can't go on, sir.
Yo.
Rasta, we can come look what one in your pot.
No time at all.
Please.
Not yet.
That's a Whitey.
Mm.
You can see flavor still off Fiddly, you see it, oh?
Yeah.
What else, Mr. Fiddly? You see me?
Oh, what a pot, yeah.
I just wish the flavor was there, the scent more than Rasta cooking.
Oh, you must say Rasta. Rasta hide in face. Listen, no comment.
No more comment for you.
Can be a stupidness in my tell you. What you mean by that?
What I'm talking?
Him say him wish
Wish?
the flavor was there as the scent. Like,
If you wish the flavor of the scent, it don't make no sense. You don't make no sense. Because you don't make no sense to get none. You don't make no sense.
listen, enough for bother
Be
consume none.
nonsense in talking. Be a nonsense.
Enough for bother consume
No,
none.
no bother consume. That's what you eating.
Yeah?
And just control the smell.
Listen, watch us find the flavor for him.
So Rasta over here for the shrimp price for the year. You know, the boy Fiddly. When him interview Sagled. And Sagled a taste, and now again a score. You're Fiddly now? Oh, come like, you can't find the flavor yet because this like it lost.
Now, what I say? And that's what I say.
Him.
And you say that? You all are wicked and I say that? I feel like Saglet?
I said, my flavor lost.
No,
What's
me never
the
have.
last?
No, remember, I didn't test mine as yet, but because I
Test?
see him take up few spoon and me no ain't give no comment yet. Me I say, what? I'm gonna try to find this a flavor, yeah, man.
What if you find the flavor? And the flavor and I will like already.
Lost.
But look like he never find it. Taste buds never work.
Like it mouth now work.
I can smell the aroma lift up out of the pot there, you know? Nice fragrance.
Fragrance. Come on.
Yes, loud, man.
Load out.
Everything will come together and have a wonderful blend. Come smell what I go on mine.
Rasta, you can allow the weed bad man. I have 5 spliff this year now.
You could have the 100.
I see one thin in your mouth
You
there.
know, watch what in my mouth. You just watch when people take mouth, so. Watch when I feel. I food if you watch when they go in your mouth, it's nice.
Make sure.
Spliff in
Yeah,
her mouth, spliff back her ears, spliff in her hand.
You have a 4 put down for you today, you see.
Yo, you can't go where you go for today, no?
British, how much you feel if I get today?
Today?
Yeah.
Well, as me already vindicate this already.
What's the meaning of that
The word
word?
is vindicate.
Your vocabulary is small.
What's the meaning of that word?
I don't have a dictionary here.
Oh yeah, how much you think you might get today?
Based upon where I'm going with.
Yeah.
You see this? This is something I can't spoil because everybody do this.
Yes, I don't have baby can cook this, so if you
This?
spoil this.
This?
So if you spoil this, you don't deserve some beating.
What's your favourite meal to cook?
Me?
Other than porridge. I don't know what porridge you want to say.
My favorite thing to cook?
Yeah.
I like mackerel. Mackerel? With rice.
Mackerel and rice.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Nice.
Nice man with a lot of pepper.
And tomato and onion.
Which one, the green tin or the one in
No,
brine?
The original grace, the red one.
Red one.
The
Ah.
classic one. Alright. The
No,
The classic one.
Yeah,
Not the
yeah.
long one like this.
Yeah,
That's the favorite.
that's my favorite.
Mackerel and rice.
Yeah. When I done Mr. Liquor call me and say, more, you want more?
You want to sick, sir?
You want more? And I say, you want
Fill
more?
on your eyes? That's how come I get the name Lasco.
Oh, I get it from, no.
I truly love the actual Lasco, I can get the name Lasco.
The man that the man do that by Alaska. You know tell him?
Something goes away, I say.
They have a point.
Lasco every day.
Right now, more on yard.
Yeah.
I have a jug.
Full of Alaska mix
In the
already.
fridge already.
Alright, your sister and I was told him.
Yes, sir. Full of Lasco.
Full of Alaska.
Yes, I get my little meal here now. I have to sit down out here and eat it.
No, but you have to sit down and give me two. Remember two men discuss here.
Big Mike. Ask Martel what he talking on the Martel TV channel. What he talking about number 2? We don't deal with number 2 around here.
Man, sir, two you might give
We say we don't deal with number 2 around this side. Burn number 2.
Why? Rasta if I get nervous and hear about the score.
Look for me good. Big Mike.
Yeah.
Squidly.
Yeah.
Me look at me nervous still.
Let me check you
When
out.
I score
Check me
time,
out,
check you.
doctor.
You hear it now,
No, you must have check me out and him not a doctor. Don't gonna come with that, man.
So Fiddly,
Yeah.
when I score time, you not get nervous.
Never.
What? Get Gigi.
We just
Why
want
me
to
must
know.
say, Gigi.
Gigi. Gigi.
Gigi the man say,
When the book come out,
Yeah.
can I get scared?
No, it's when like when they school.
Rasta, be honest.
When
you
they
know score
when they
time.
school, it's different. I know school, me there now.
So why you get nervous when you see me
I
all
cook
my
it.
plate in my hand now?
You-
Sorry.
Listen, me say when Rasta done cook and the meal and share out by Martel, come like a CXC results you wait fun man.
So you see,
Everybody tense. Rasta tense man.
10. I know say all I wanna lick on the mouth lick one another. All you. Pick out all of their teeth. All you see the trace me I pick up my teeth. They say they come and watch me I pick up 2 little pieces of thing out of my teeth. I just cut your 2 back to my face. You see? Just like that.
Hey, yo, violent Big Mike.
Big Mike. Not violent. I shoot my tail, not you?
That's the truth?
Yeah. Cut in 2 backs. What the channel? I'm sure when I start talking with us, easy himself. That me have it done on the cooking. Nothing spoiling. Everything.
Nothing spoiling, just oiling.
No, and that, you see me damn island nothing wrong. Everything they gave me,
Yeah.
I bring it out perfectly. And when they get it, man all say want more.
Yeah.
One.
Alright, you know one at the time we have
You might tell to me when we sat there and done cooking, the swims are right. Rasta, you not tell a lie. You see next plate when I give it, you shouldn't give it that, you know. Because that's when we go warm up and me I go up here now, you know. I don't need that now, you know. Ask him, call him out and ask him.
So hold on, you know, fire.
Yeah. That means that anything we then give me, he look bored.
So hold on there. So,
Nice
so
and
the
full of
one-
spice.
What Rasta say me say?
You say you look for food where you give it last, I say your balls say you give it because boy, you did need it for your nightcap.
Which food?
As they look
This
at shrimp
food
and
are
rice.
Fiddly, if I see a little bit of it, I can score me game. I could have more of that. I could score me game.
I don't wonder what you talk about.
So when you have to tell me all them things that for a year.
That's a win.
So-
Half a year, everything we talk upon live, man, this year.
So when me and you sit down up there, you talk
When?
and you
That's a
done.
win.
Saturday evening after you done eat the
Saturday
food.
evening,
Yes.
Saturday evening after me done eat, me not gonna me
You're
yard.
going with yard.
That was just look up boots in for your ego, man.
All you done, I feel like a country, leak out, you know, man. You know, way nice, you know, man. Leak out. You know, way you can head come after that. Running channel. And I tell you nonsense.
Oh, stew sip. Yes, Rasta. But look how much water you put in there.
Yes, water and everything. Just shut it down this night in your face. You know.
Let's say this.
Right, rock, down.
Like us, we have to chicken out. What kind of water was
Here this
that?
boy come
All the
style.
boy, the man,
Come
this
style
style.
everything like that. Yo.
Ah, Rasta, me tell you, say I forgot start of him far, eh?
I forgot steer one side. I forgot steer one side.
Oh, water.
Beer water. You see water another?
Don't drop this side, yesterday. They say don't cook.
Eh?
They say don't Rasta.
When you make the water boil out.
Man, I run to like it.
You chat too much, that's all video. You don't know you come here for the difficult chat. Eh? I want to that. You go over see.
See now with the water jar down.
Where is the water tonight?
I'm not a pour us.
Sure, you see no water
I'm
tonight.
not pour us in water rice. To Manchester.
Yo.
Manchester.
How we place him in Manchester for the water? In water hub.
Which part? Down in Manchester. I don't remember in the community, you know. Sure no I go on a Rasta
If you
pot.
lift up that. If you lift up this today.
Mama big spoon working.
Remember me tell you today. I last year come around the cooking. So you have to cook with this. If you ever lift up my pot.
Alright, you open it, show them.
No, sir. Until the rice done. That's where I go on. Nothing in a sit
Yes,
more.
Alright, people.
I know him talk about walk is true. Go out of that, boy, out of that.
Yeah, but what is you? This is
That's that I want to show you, but
Sure. Me no dash the theatre.
movie.
You must think of movie this. I got carry.
What is
What they done in a bus park.
I never knew it was Ackee stew.
Yeah, well, you want to know if it's Ackee stew. Alright, so that big spoon there, that big spoon there with Ackee stew with white rice. You know how to taste it today? That Ackee stew.
People, stay tuned.
People, stay tuned to the Ackee stew. Right. People, stay tuned for the One Marcel channel for the Ackee stew I'm talking about. The Ackee stew supposed to run your belly. We not cook nothing. The Rasta cook to run no belly.
stew?
Ackee what?
Ackee stew.
Say it one more time.
Ackee stew.
They say it's Ackee stew.
So it look like Ackee stew, Rasta?
You see, I cook Ackee stew today.
Me never
I
get
cook.
to see it.
You see what the eye and I man look about?
Give me a cup of water.
Which one a cup of water?
Out of
Peter?
stew.
Must this have
This pot full of water right now.
No.
Look in there.
We can drink some water,
Yeah, you
Pete.
see, and the Ackee stew. So hold on there. I hide that tonight, you
The
hear?
water and the chicken and what's up on the said level.
Yeah, what you have to pick up around there, so? Big
Slam
man.
down lad.
What you picking up around here, big man, following those boys?
Looking.
You are looking. You're supposed to look it for what don't touch.
Alright, so you're putting your secret ingredient, make
Long
it
time I
bubble
know.
out.
Yeah, it can cook out.
So how much one rice at?
If I got 3 pounds today.
First I cook so much rice, huh?
No, sir. Yes, we cook 3 pounds. Yeah.
Rasta. Chili rice with you there.
See, you ever get,
Soft, saggy rice.
see, you ever get it in Shirley?
Yeah.
When?
For it was the curry beef.
Yeah, all you know sense.
You remember Fiddly?
Moist.
Yeah.
Look on we. All that we were in this earth, yeah. All that we are dust. Dust! Just like the ashes you see there, so. In our fire. Look what you say fire red, and then the men so you see the ashes white. We are dust, just like that. Dust. We're going back straight to the dust. The earth is the dust. And we come from the dust, we're going back to the dust.
So Rasta, when a man dead, you feel in spirit room,
So them say,
but you believe it?
You believe it?
in life,
Yes or no? You
You
believe it?
believe it?
well on, in life,
I know. Yes
you
or
remember I
no?
was asking them answer me answer a question. You just rush me so. You have a Dover man?
Dad,
This one I dog.
come no man, yes
Pitbull?
or no?
Yeah, pitbull. Alright, you want me ask now.
Yeah.
Me believe in life.
Wait, you know what, Duppy?
Not you have a spirit.
No, it ain't called Duppy.
No, nothing can end up because
The spirit ain't called Duppy, don't Fiddly?
so they say.
No, one spirit
them
a spirit.
Duffy.
Duffy,
Them say
Duffy.
that's
Duffy a
spirit.
Duffy.
Cause guess what now? My mother died. In my sleep.
Yeah.
Yes, your mother.
No, me no listen what me say now.
In your sleep?
In my sleep.
Yeah.
Me wake up.
Yeah. In your sleep, you wake?
Then I must in my sleep me wake. Cause me not sleep before.
Alright, yeah. You
Me not
wake.
sleep before and me wake up.
Yeah.
And when me look, me see my mother sit down in I see him settee.
So you feel that it wake?
Of
Your
course.
brain not tell you say you
You
wake?
listen to the man? But me assure say me wake.
Yeah.
When me look,
Yeah.
me see my mother sit down on the veranda, which part she did there, and I see him settee.
Yeah.
And with that plate, I eat and say, I said, no man, me I go say if I dream, me a dream, or I see me see it properly.
Yeah.
If I drink some ice water, I go to it, I go night all and go night, drink ice water and come back.
Yeah.
Let me look, sit down on the bed, go lie down back in and sit down so.
Yeah.
I'm look. I'm mad at Mr. Shea. I say, oh, not dream here.
Rasta, are you dreaming still in your mind that trick you?
Don't
Alright, you ever dream it and say, boy, don't pay a wallet down yet. And kill you dead your way. I dream you still. Why would that
Let
thing
me
in
ask
your
that question.
feeling?
You dream that?
Sleep paralysis.
That you're there and think you're weak.
What?
You never wake. Your mind a trick you to
That's
say
how you
wake.
believe.
All you drink ice water in your sleep, you still drink ice
That's what I
water.
believe. Oh, when we
So,
sleep.
so you say a dead lady and you stop?
Why not?
No,
That's
sir.
why my
You know
mother.
it's a blonde, you?
No. Well, I don't know.
Eh.
If your
And
mother
when
dead.
you come back,
Yeah.
hold on, when you come back now, you ask you know where lady them there.
Yeah.
Me ask you
Like
my
you
mother
want-
dead.
Him not delusional.
No, that's why you're wrong. No.
You wrong.
You
Wrong.
A devil in disguise, you say.
Wrong, man. You should have stopped for that. You're mad.
Must stop already.
Lucky,
My
head.
mother.
Me say.
My mother dead and gone. Where Bible tell you?
I
Where
lucky.
Bible tell you?
If you see your mother, when
If
she
she,
dead.
I can't she, me say.
I cannot my mother
I
that.
my mother.
Gosh,
The
that's-
Bible
If
say
she
once
pass
dead,
off
dead.
already, God
Yeah, them
forbid.
she not gonna show you
And
that.
me and see her after she
I
pass
devil
off,
that
and
you
she.
say.
It's alright. We don't see no devil.
Either.
You say
My mother
come
couldn't
to her,
devil
go to her.
before she dead.
Me say.
Oh.
If she, when my mother dead, she couldn't devil. And me see her, she's
So if
not
you
a
see your
devil.
mother now, you go to her?
Why not?
You're mad, man.
Sick.
I sit down and talk to her after a while.
Which one you still on talk to her?
Anyway, she miss
No, she have to dream me. Me nah see her on the road and stop for her. Me say, she have to dream me. Me nah see her on the road and stop. Me say, I say, done burn up a pot of rice. Smell it from around there, so you know.
Smell it from around there, so?
Burning.
Burning.
So Rasta,
I drew up,
I
man.
put on back the one here. I make her share the rice.
Look a while.
Fiddly. Burn, man.
Yeah, man, it burn, man. Let me tell you, me smell it from around the front, burning.
And they burn it. You see?
Anyhow, it don't burn, me give you 5,000. Because me know me smell the
Remember
burn.
it? Yo,
Me say, me know me smell the burn.
One talking word yesterday, and I know he can't cancel.
No, but he never
And you
give you
come back
nothing.
to the
He
again.
never give you nothing.
So
He
much
give you
you do.
nothing, so in give 10, how you forget the 5,000
much
and he
you
not
get?
give you nothing.
5,000, you say.
Me don't know how much I get.
Don't talk to you. 5,000.
Boy, burn rice, me I talk about
It burn
still,
rice.
because me know me know the rice burn. Yeah, me smell it.
Alright? Dip for him.
You
Don't
look,
give and tell him.
you look,
You look like a burnt tea.
Look, alright, it
Look,
come out
alright.
good, but me know say
You
it,
say
it,
it's burnt tea, boy.
it just start catch, man. It start catch, me I
Get
tell
in
you.
your head.
Alright.
I must in the head,
Time
catch.
boy long to sharing part, I get so.
Yo, you see right now?
Yeah, I get grass.
No, them
Yeah,
have-
me don't know why.
No, you know why I would talk to you like that, boy? Because he's a liar. You boy is a liar.
So why you get cross every time
Cross?
boy long to sharing?
Look at. I do this.
Get cross, hungry, and miserable.
Sure, say you know see me with no red cross, not no white cross. So
You
you know
make
me
the rice
have to
dry
go-
out somewhere to still in Rasta?
You see there? You alive. You look there. I way down in go. Look if you see any burn in there. Put the camera in night and show the people them.
Wait till reach and I say now stop
Ali-
talking
Ali-
over
Ali-
it.
Yeah, man, so stop the talking over.
I mean, what's that
Leave.
talking?
Our rice and gravy me want to eat, not mouth water.
Let's give you a mouth water. See you? All you know, it's all you chat too much. You know, eat nothing, no. You fi don't go just look and run camera.
Yeah?
That's all you fi do.
And you will just cook.
Cook and eat.
No.
You fi
don't
just
fi
look
eat.
and run
You
camera.
don't fi eat.
Nothing
You
more
just
you fi do.
cook.
No, what you do?
Just look and run camera. Not sure. Where's the big mic?
Big bite now with you.
Yes, I want to see somebody have to do this.
Yeah.
Right.
Somebody has to do it. You get no Rasta, may I use a so bad man shade the rice them.
So how that shall go?
Put back that pan empty. The empty one empty.
An empty one. I mean,
Yeah, and this everyone want pet. Put it back.
we asked them say no, want to dry out?
You
Can't dry out in too much water.
Y'all you rink, you know. Rink like fish. Yo. Mad. Style.
Come now man, put on it like a stew right there.
Posing thing.
Look so like a bad man, put on it like a stew for the next.
Take him picture.
Look like a stew. You see, you should get little and so you go on. Alright. Alright, now nothing else. So we do it little, don't fiddle?
Yeah, and see
That's
where
where
it
it
goes. Then we
Big
top up
mic,
as we
yeah.
go along.
Yeah.
I'm just waiting on my fork or the spoon to eat mines. Okay, brother?
Spoon, eh?
Wow, Mike.
Spoon.
Thanks.
Thanks. And more blessing. Love. That's that. Yes,
Copy the
sir.
Rama.
Give you a review. How you going today? Are you surprised yourself with each cooking you every day, you know? So how you going today?
100.
100?
Yeah,
Alright.
straight.
You know, stop till like
100.
Where you taste so far, Matt? 100 too?
Not taste it yet.
100 yet?
100?
Me check Big Mike, cause the Big Mike reach far in a few months. Michael, based on what go on so far.
Based on what I'm going to
Yeah, where you taste so far.
To me, no, lie still. I give him a 9.
Out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Alright then. What's sound bad?
Look more gravy.
I like it, just to find the flavour, Matt.
Still not find it, so I give him a, in every day, I give him a 7 today.
And 7?
Mm-hmm.
Just don't know. Wait shot.
Eh?
Wait shot of you.
You know, my regular like a spice, man, a little hop kick.
Yes, nah, get a look.
That not the day,
Wait.
just can eat.
It edible.
Mm-hmm.
Alright
Just
then.
that, you know.
Can live with. So how you plan to give him next?
Eh?
What you plan to give
I
next?
want him to go choose, guys. I'll be a fool just to give him. So him a
Alright,
choose
then
next.
so you pick this for yourself. Alright. Big Mike done give him a 9. See you this next man you go out there now. Cause this man you not hold back nothing, you know. You ready to give you an honest review, sir?
Yeah, I give him a 6, you know.
6? Yeah. Jesus Christ. A dunghill today. Talk to me, man. So what goes? Why that 6 there?
Time to put no spice up.
See
Never
it?
kicks a night.
Alright, so you know this is a new member, so this a man and not telling a line, just I give him honest review. So I just saw it go.
Yeah, man, I give him a 6, man.
Room for improvement, that's how it go. But it's edible.
So
Alright
okay,
then.
you not give no score today.
No, you know me have somewhere to be right now, so me I go run.
So next vlog, I go tell them where.
Yeah, me I go make them know where it did really miss.
Alright, so catch you next time, no?
Yeah, shall I get fair?